Hey, so you've probably seen something called the Google anti-gravity trick online, where the whole page looks like it's falling apart or floating around. Yeah, this is actually a fun Google Easter egg style effect, not a real feature in Google search. In this guide, I'll show you how to use it in 2026. First thing, open your browser and search for Google Gravity, or go to a demo site like Mr. Doob's Google Gravity. This is where the effect runs. Next, wait for the page to fully load. So once it loads, the elements will start reacting to gravity. All right, now watch what happens. I mean, everything on the page starts falling down like it has real gravity. Now you can interact with it. Click and drag elements around. They respond like physical objects. Next, try similar fun tricks like Google Sphere or Google Mirror for more visual effects. All right, to reset everything, just refresh the page. I mean, this brings Google back to normal. And yeah, just a note, this is purely a fun visual trick, not an actual Google feature. So that's how you use the Google anti-gravity trick. It's just a fun way to see search in a different playful style.